Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide to achieving financial freedom. We're here with a mission to provide you with top-notch advice and strategies to help you navigate the challenging world of finance. In our journey together, we'll explore various aspects of financial planning, wealth management, and investment strategies. But today, we're going to delve into something that could very well be your ticket to financial independence: automating your savings and building wealth. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? It's a simple concept, yet it holds the power to transform your financial future. We'll cover all the bases, from why it's essential to how you can implement it effectively. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey towards financial prosperity. Remember, the right information can be a game changer in your journey to wealth accumulation. So if you're searching for ways to automate your savings and build wealth, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, you might ask, why should I automate my savings? Well, the simple answer is, it's the key to building wealth over time. Let's delve a little deeper into this. Firstly, automating your savings ensures a consistent saving habit. It's like setting up a regular appointment with your future self, where you commit a portion of your income to your savings account without fail. This process removes the stress of remembering to save each month and helps you avoid the pitfall of saving what's left after spending. Instead, you spend what's left after saving, a subtle shift in mindset that can make a world of difference in your financial journey. Secondly, automatic savings helps you resist the temptation to spend. Let's be honest, we've all faced the lure of impulse purchases. But when your savings are automatically transferred to a separate account, the money is out of sight and therefore out of mind. This reduces the likelihood of spending those funds on non-essential items. Lastly, there's the magic of compounding interest. It's not just about the money you save, but also about the interest earned on those savings. When you save consistently, your money begins to generate more money. Over time, the interest compounds, meaning you earn interest on your interest. And the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's like a snowball effect. Your wealth starts to increase exponentially. So, to sum up, automating your savings is a powerful tool in your financial toolbox. It promotes a consistent saving habit, helps you avoid unnecessary spending, and leverages the power of compounding interest. Now that you understand why automating savings is crucial, let's move on to how you can do this. Automating your savings is easier than you might think. It's like having a personal financial assistant working in the background, quietly helping you build wealth. Let's break down the process into 3 manageable steps. Step 1 is setting up automatic transfers. Most banks and credit unions offer this feature. You can schedule regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account. The key here is consistency. You might decide to transfer funds every payday or perhaps the first of each month. Choose a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Step 2 is choosing the right savings account. Not all savings accounts are created equal. Some offer higher interest rates while others offer perks like no minimum balance or no monthly fees. A high-yield savings account is a great option for automated savings, as it typically offers higher interest rates than a regular savings account. This means your money works harder for you, earning more over time. Now, step 3 is determining a comfortable savings amount. This might be the trickiest part, but it's also the most important. You need to decide how much money you can afford to save each month without affecting your day-to-day living expenses. Start with a small amount if you're new to saving. Then gradually increase it as your financial situation improves. Remember, the goal of automating your savings isn't to make you feel deprived. It's to help you build a financial cushion without you having to think about it. It's about creating a habit of saving so that over time, you build a significant nest egg. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to a more secure financial future. And the best part is, you can set it up once and then forget about it. Your savings will grow on autopilot, leaving you free to focus on the more enjoyable parts of life. With automated savings, you're not just saving money, you're saving time and stress too. It's a win-win situation. And there you have it, folks, a simple step-by-step guide to automating your savings. Start today and watch your wealth grow. Building wealth might seem like a huge task, but it doesn't have to be. The trick is to make your money work for you even while you sleep, and this is where the power of automated investments comes into play. It's like having a tireless worker bee in your financial hive, constantly gathering honey for your future. Imagine this. Every month, a part of your income automatically gets directed towards your investment accounts. You don't have to lift a finger. You don't have to remember to make a transfer. You don't even have to resist the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. It's as if you've hired a personal financial manager, only this one works around the clock and doesn't charge a penny for its services. One of the best ways to start automating your wealth creation is by setting up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts. Whether it's a 401k, an IRA, or any other retirement savings plan, these accounts are designed to help you amass a substantial nest egg over time. And the best part, the contributions you make are often tax deductible, meaning you're effectively earning money while saving on taxes. It's a win-win situation. But don't stop there. There are countless investment platforms out there that allow you to set up automatic investments into a wide variety of assets, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrencies. Diversifying your investments not only spreads your risk, but also increases your chances of hitting upon a highly profitable asset. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Building wealth takes time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But with automated investments, you're playing the long game. You're letting your money grow steadily and surely, without the stress and hassle of manual investing. And over time, you'll be surprised at how much wealth you've accumulated, all without thinking about it. Remember, the key to building wealth is consistency and patience. With automated investments, you're not just saving money. You're building a future that's financially secure and stress-free. Now that you know how to automate your savings and investments, here are a few extra tips. As we delve into the world of financial automation, it's important to remember that success is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process, and like any process, it requires regular review and adjustment. So, our first tip is to regularly review and adjust your savings and investment plans. You don't set it and forget it. You set it, then you check it, tweak it, and optimize it. A common misconception about financial automation is that it's a hands-off approach, but that's not entirely true. You still need to be actively involved, especially when it comes to staying informed. Keeping up with financial trends is essential. The financial landscape is ever-changing. By staying informed, you can take advantage of new opportunities and guard against potential risks. Now let's talk about diversification. It's an age-old adage in the world of finance. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The same applies to financial automation. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others can make up for it. Another tip is to be patient. Financial automation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy. So, don't expect immediate results. Instead, focus on the cumulative effect of your automated savings and investments. Over time, even small contributions can add up to significant wealth. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Financial automation doesn't mean you have to go it alone. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you fine-tune your automation strategy. Remember, the goal of financial automation is not just to save money, it's to build wealth. It's to create a financial cushion that allows you to live comfortably and enjoy the fruits of your labor. With these tips, you can make your financial automation even more effective. And that's how you can automate your savings and build wealth without thinking. To recap, we've underscored the importance of automating savings, a game changer in managing your finances. It's a process that can be set up easily and helps you consistently save without the need for manual intervention. Moving on, we delved into the concept of building wealth without constant worry. It's all about making your money work for you and not the other way around. The key is to invest wisely and let compound interest do its magic. Lastly, we shared some practical tips for successful financial automation. From choosing the right savings account to setting up automatic transfers, these steps can set you on the path to financial freedom. In summary, automating your savings and building wealth doesn't have to be complicated. It's a simple, effective strategy that can help you reach your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more financial tips and advice.